Charlie Wells has been digging through the data and is here with the latest. What stands out to you, Charlie?
Tom, so what really stands out in these 13F filings is the positionings on tech. This is really where the smart money has been making moves and trying to figure out how they are going to navigate this rally despite the talk that we hear about a potential bubble. You can see here that the most significant weighting is in that tech sector, followed by financials and followed by health, consumer discretionary. But tech really in focus, and questions about that rally. If you just take a look at the NASDAQ, these 13F filings are required to be sent in by anyone who invests over $100 million to the SEC, and these are for that third quarter. So you look at the third quarter, you see that upward trajectory, but still questions really at month end in July, in August, and September. Questions there in the market. You see those spilling into these 13Fs as well.
What about some of the individual names, Charlie, and maybe what they tell us about investor appetite, the kind of themes that investors are looking to tease out of these markets?
So Bloomberg has gone through some 909 of these filings for hedge funds, and we've picked out some winners and losers as far as individual names. So Nvidia, really the winner there, up some $11 billion in that third quarter, followed by Alphabet, followed by Apple. I want to flip the board and take a look at some of these losers, some that declined the most in that third quarter. What you see when I bring up these names, they're also in tech. So winners in tech, losers in tech. We've got CoreWeave here. They had a very difficult August. Shares down some 21% in the day on the back of a disappointing earnings report. So we're seeing again here that theme of investors trying to parse this rally, but also take a look at some cautious moves there as well. Let's think about individual names and the funds that are often associated with them. We've got Warren Buffett. I want to bring up a look at these two funds. We've got Warren Buffett's Berkshire Hathaway building up a significant stake in Google, but then paring back on Apple. So that pattern of kind of stop-start there too. And I've got to bring up Thiel Macro, of course, associated with Peter Thiel. They, in that third quarter, exited their entire holding in Nvidia. So questions even about these firms, even about these stocks that have been on a roll lately.
Oh, you know that Peter Thiel move is going to get a lot of traction amongst retail investors, isn't it, in the US with exposure to Nvidia. Charlie Wells, thank you very much.